This is a video for an advanced explanation of a new service. This service is a new feature the mapper add context to external ontologies. Usually we map this with an external ontology, but now we are going to use one feature which is included into some of the subjects. A subject is a group of data models. And in example, we have this subject Oslo, which is a derivative of the Oslo ontology. So as every other subject, there is an automatic context, JSON-LD, we have all the terms and then in long arrays coming from smart data models. These are generated automatically. These are populated as well with some basic information. But now what we want to do is just to use the original from the ontology here, okay, all this. But we have to bear in mind that sometimes the data models extend these ontologies for those attributes which are not available on the ontology, but they're required for these data models to work in real cases, which is the goal of the smart data models. So in order to use this service, we need two parameters. The first is the add context in the raw version. Let us go for it. Add context raw version here. Then we take the URL, okay, and paste into the first text box. Okay, here we are, here. Okay, and now the second parameter is the nodes underscore context JSON-LD. Here we are. Also the raw version. We take the URL, take it, here we are, and paste it into the second box. We have to put an email like this one, and then click, and we got a new add context with all the attributes available at the ontology map, and some of them which are not available at the ontology with the original smart data models IRIs. Okay, and that's all, folks. Thank you very much.